Here is a beginner-level relationship manager quiz that covers time management and organization, customer retention and loyalty, and data-driven decision-making. Let's go. Question 1. Why is time management important for a relationship manager? A. It helps in prioritizing tasks and serving clients efficiently. B. It ensures that all clients receive the same level of service. C. It eliminates the need for follow-ups with clients. And D. It allows relationship managers to delay responses. Answer: it helps in prioritizing tasks and serving clients efficiently. Question 2. Which of the following is the best method for organizing client meetings and follow-ups? A. Keeping mental notes and relying on memory. B. Using a structured calendar and task management system. C. Waiting for clients to reach out first. And D. Handling all client tasks at the last minute. Answer: using a structured calendar and task management system. Question 3. A relationship manager can improve customer retention by A. Providing ongoing support and building trust. B. Focusing only on new customers. C. Avoiding difficult customer complaints. And D. Reducing communication with existing clients. Answer: providing ongoing support and building trust. Question 4. What is a key benefit of data-driven decision-making in relationship management? A. It replaces personal judgment entirely. B. It eliminates the need for client interactions. C. It allows decisions to be based on client preferences and behaviors. And D. It focuses only on sales data, not client relationships. Answer: it allows decisions to be based on client preferences and behaviors. Question 5. Which tool helps relationship managers organize their daily tasks efficiently? A. Customer relationship management, CRM software. B. Social media platforms. C. Word documents. And D. Email only. Answer: customer relationship management, CRM software. Question 6. A relationship manager can improve time management by A. Ignoring low-priority tasks indefinitely. B. Handling multiple tasks at the same time without planning. C. Prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance. And D. Relying only on last-minute deadlines. Answer: prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance. Question 7. Which of the following best helps retain customers? A. Selling as many products as possible without checking client needs. B. Offering discounts only when clients are leaving. C. Contacting customers only during contract renewals. And D. Building long-term relationships and personalized engagement. Answer: building long-term relationships and personalized engagement. Question 8. How can data be used to enhance customer relationships? A. By analyzing client behavior to offer personalized solutions. B. By replacing direct client communication. C. By focusing only on sales figures. And D. By disregarding customer feedback. Answer: by analyzing client behavior to offer personalized solutions. Question 9. A well-organized relationship manager should A. Work without a schedule and handle tasks randomly. B. Plan their week in advance and keep track of client interactions. C. Focus only on high-profile clients. And D. Avoid taking notes during client meetings. Answer: plan their week in advance and keep track of client interactions. Question 10. Which strategy is most effective in ensuring customer loyalty? A. Keeping interactions to a minimum. B. Offering discounts only when necessary. C. Contacting customers only when a sale is required. And D. Regularly engaging with customers and understanding their needs. Answer: regularly engaging with customers and understanding their needs. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is an important time management strategy for a relationship manager? A. Avoiding scheduled meetings to save time. B. Ignoring minor client concerns to focus on major issues. C. Delegating repetitive tasks and automating processes. And D. Handling tasks as they come without prioritization. Answer: delegating repetitive tasks and automating processes. Question 12. How can a relationship manager use data to anticipate customer needs? A. By analyzing past interactions and identifying behavior patterns. B. By assuming all customers have the same preferences. C. By avoiding data and relying on instinct. And D. By making decisions only based on current interactions. Answer: by analyzing past interactions and identifying behavior patterns. Question 13. Which of the following reduces customer retention? A. Personalizing communication for different clients. B. Providing ongoing support and engagement. C. Offering value-added services based on customer needs. And D. Ignoring customer complaints and feedback. Answer: ignoring customer complaints and feedback. Question 14. A relationship manager can improve data-driven decision-making by A. Making decisions without reviewing historical data. B. Ignoring reports and focusing only on personal intuition. C. Using analytics tools to track client behavior and preferences. And D. Focusing only on new customer data. Answer: using analytics tools to track client behavior and preferences. Question 15. What is an effective way to manage a client portfolio efficiently? A. Treating all clients the same regardless of needs. B. Segmenting clients based on engagement levels and prioritizing support. C. Avoiding time allocation for follow-ups. And D. Focusing only on the highest paying clients. Answer: segmenting clients based on engagement levels and prioritizing support. Question 16. Why is customer loyalty important for a relationship manager? A. It increases long-term business value and client trust. B. It eliminates the need for sales efforts. C. It allows businesses to avoid marketing expenses. And D. It reduces the need for product improvement. Answer: It increases long-term business value and client trust. Question 17. Which of the following helps increase productivity in time management? A. Checking emails constantly without prioritization. B. Setting daily priorities and eliminating distractions. C. Rushing through client meetings to save time. And D. Avoiding time tracking tools. Answer: setting daily priorities and eliminating distractions. Question 18. What role does CRM software play in customer retention? A. It reduces customer interactions. B. It replaces the need for direct communication. C. It focuses only on sales data, not relationships. And D. It helps track client interactions and improve engagement strategies. Answer: it helps track client interactions and improve engagement strategies. Question 19. How does a relationship manager effectively track performance? A. By reviewing key client metrics and adjusting strategies accordingly. B. By avoiding performance tracking and focusing only on sales. C. By using only personal intuition. And D. By measuring only short-term revenue gains. Answer: by reviewing key client metrics and adjusting strategies accordingly. Question 20. A relationship manager who prioritizes customer data can A. Make decisions based only on assumptions. B. Ignore client behavior patterns and trends. C. Make better informed decisions and improve client satisfaction. And D. Focus only on their own perspective rather than the client's. Answer: make better informed decisions and improve client satisfaction. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.